Join us as we stay at the Gullivers Hotel. Wow, we actually paid for a standard room, but it actually looks like we've been upgraded to a family suite. Now, no one actually mentioned this on reception. We didn't ask for an upgrade. We've got here, and this is what we've got. It's really spacious. You can see you've got a big double bed for me and Lucy, a couple of bedside tables. We've got a sofa, which also could double as a bed if me and Lucy fall out. We've got some lovely tea and coffee making facilities on this huge office kind of table, with a seat, its own heating and its lights. A nice TV built in there, but plenty of storage and places to do your work. If I'd have brought the laptop or PC, it'd have been easy to set up and actually do the work and do the editing on there, which is really nice. All the way down here. Are you alright, son? You're not too tired? Yeah, we've got a nice little seat with a beautiful view of that plain white wall. Might be nice. But over here, got all of your wardrobe, clean towels, spare sheets. Again, plenty of room with it being a suite. And then over here, I don't know if there's any lights in this room. We got a bit of light. But we've actually got like a kid's bunk bed, jungle room. So, one single bed down the bottom. It's got its own TV under there. And then up on the top of the bunk bed, this lovely little treehouse type room, again with a TV over there as well, so the kids have got their own TVs to watch stuff in their own little treehouse room. Top bunk, is that where you're going tonight, sunshine?
Oh yeah.
So Henry's going to test out the nice treehouse bunk bed. What's it like up there, man? Cozy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You can just watch TV.
Chill out, watch TV, look at you. Chill out. Watch your telly.
I don't know where the remote is for this, but...
It's right next to your head.
Oh.
Just here. Dude.
There's a light.
Here.
I know, I see it.
Alright. Less of the cheek. Try your light. There we go. So what do you think? Does it get the Henry seal of approval?
It's a little bit childish, but it's alright.
You are a child after all.
I'm not a child though.
It's a really nice little space for children, that is. And they've obviously got a curtain that you can pull along, give them some privacy. So if he wants to look at all of those sexy ladies, he can do. And then, into the bathroom. Nice big mirror. Nice little touches in here, just making it feel very homely. Bathtub and shower, and it all looks really clean. Water pressure seems alright. Not the most powerful shower ever, but good enough. Nice warm water too. Toilet's a bit low. If I get down on that, I don't know if I'm getting back up. Oh, look at that. You know you're in a posh place when you get the toilet roll folded into a point. Got a pretty decent view, which looks out over to the pit stop pods. Now, obviously, for them guys down there, you can see straight in the bedroom window, so hopefully they pull the curtains along for a bit of privacy. That's not probably the best position in there, but otherwise, it's a lovely little view. Oh, I thought we were going to have a nice panoramic window there, but it is locked to only open a specific amount. Still, nice to let some air in. Got a nice full-length mirror, so you can make sure that you come out of the door looking as handsome as me. After a little bit of Google researching, we've worked out that they've actually upgraded us to a superior family suite, which is around £150 should you pay for it outright. And we paid around £72 just for a normal family room, so that is absolutely incredible of them. And the fact that it is completely random, we've just turned up after his day at the park, we've gone to check in, got his room key, turned up here, and this is what we've got. So the fact that they're randomly upgrading people if the hotel isn't as busy as it usually would be, then that is just fantastic. Now, here at the hotel, there are actually a few other things you can do as well. So later on in the evening, they do serve food between around 5 o'clock and I think 9:30 at night, they said. You can get food here in the hotel. There's also a fire pit on the outside, which, weather permitting, they will be lighting later on tonight. There is a marquee where there is entertainment all evening, and there's also a conference centre where they will be showing a family-friendly movie later on as well. So there is actually plenty to do should you be staying here on site at the hotel. Really impressed with what's on offer with it, really, because it's really clean, really nicely done. Plenty of room in here. Man, I am tired, and we've still got to go to the magical woodland yet. Nice when they take the effort to just put the little touches in here, such as the picture frames on the wall and the pictures. It's even got these cool little lights, reading lights, that you can pop around. You can even get a spotlight on us for a bit of a movie later. I am a big fan of like dad chairs. That's good. The only problem is my coffee's all the way over there now. 3, 2, 1, go! Bed itself looks quite comfy. Actually, it's quite a firm mattress. No sinking into this one. No idea what we can get on the telly box. It's not bad. You can even get Netflix. We can do some Netflix and chill tonight, love.
You wish.
Why does she think everything I say is double entendre? I literally mean watch some Netflix and fall asleep. Such a rude mind. That was the quick room tour of the Gullivers, what turned into be a superior family suite. If on the tiniest chance that anyone from Gullivers ever stumbles across any of our stuff, thank you very much for whatever secret upgrade you gave us to get this superior room. It is highly recommended. Even if you were paying the full price of £150 or around £150, for the size of the room that you get, the quality of the bathroom, all of the amenities in here, as well as that fantastic treehouse sort of double bunk bed for the children, I think this is well worth the money. But yeah, I think it's the space more than anything that really impresses me about this room. It's almost like having a mini little cottage rather than just a suite itself. With that being said, I hope you have enjoyed this. We don't often do a we stay in this place kind of vlogs, so we just thought we'd take you around and show you the superior family suite here at Gulliver's World in Warrington. If you've liked the vlog, then by all means smash that like button for us. If you'd like to see anything like this again, maybe we branch out into staying in different kind of hotels. It is something we've thought about going around and trying out. Not so much luxury, but maybe the more quirkier hotel stays and stuff for both families and for couples itself. Then comment down below and let us know if that's something that you'd like to see. And let us know if you've ever stayed in the Gullivers Hotel and what your thoughts are. We have been at Gulliver's World for the Fright Fiesta this morning, so make sure that you go and watch that video. And we're off to the magical woodland for their Halloween sort of magical light trail this evening as well. So make sure you check out both of those videos. And then if you could do me a massive favour and smash that subscribe button, costs you nothing, but it is incredibly helpful for the channel. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.